Have you ever wished you could flip a switch in your body and just feel calmer in a few minutes? You actually can. It's called the vagus nerve. In just a few moments, I'll show you how to activate it using a simple acupressure routine. Your body's stress response and relaxation responses are controlled by the autonomic nervous system. This system takes care of those reactions that are not particularly under your voluntary control. It has two main branches, the sympathetic nervous system, which is the fight or flight system. It focuses your vision, increases your heart rate, speeds up breathing, shifts blood to the muscles, raises blood pressure, slows digestion, and reduces sexual function. And it gets your body ready to fight or to run. And it looks like this. So here is the SNS, or sympathetic nervous system. And we can see here's the brain over here. This is the spinal cord coming down. And this is a sympathetic ganglion, or group of sympathetic nerves right in front of the spine that is created by the spinal nerves. As you can see here, it goes over to the eye to sharpen the vision, to the heart to increase heart rate and blood pressure, to the lungs to increase breathing. It opens up the blood vessels in the muscles, but contracts the blood vessels in the digestive system. It also slows down kidney function and reduces sexual function. This, of course, is ideal if you have to run away or if you have to fight. One of the fastest ways to feel better is to dial down that fight or flight response and activate what's called the parasympathetic nervous system, or the PNS. This is the rest and digest system, and that's where the vagus nerve comes in. It plays a big role in how your body relaxes and recovers. It calms your heart rate, evens your breathing, and improves overall circulation and lowers blood pressure. It also signals the lower branch of the parasympathetic nervous system, which is the sacral branch, to improve sexual function. And this is what it might look like. Here's the brain over here, and here is the vagus nerve coming off the brain. You can see it's a really long nerve going all the way down deep into the belly. We can see it going over here to the heart to relax the heart, reduce blood pressure. We see it going over here to the lungs to allow for slow, deep breathing. Going over here to allow for balanced circulation through the body. Over here, it activates the digestive system and even the kidney and the adrenal system. Over here, allowing the kidneys to urinate properly and to calm down the adrenal glands. Now, the vagus nerve also sends a signal all the way down here to the lower branch, the sacral branch of the parasympathetic nervous system, where it signals the sexual organs to improve overall sexual function. Today I'm going to show you a simple vagus nerve acupressure routine that you can do anytime you feel anxious. First, I wanted to share two nutrients that can give your vagus nerve extra support. The first is choline. Choline is essential for producing acetylcholine, the main neurotransmitter that your vagus nerve uses to send calming signals through your body. With good choline levels, your vagus nerve can communicate more effectively, helping you relax and recover more easily. The second is inositol. Inositol helps support healthy nerve function and can improve mood, balance, reduce anxiety feelings, and it works alongside choline for better overall results. These two nutrients can be combined together into one convenient capsule. I've placed a link in the description below for the choline and inositol capsule that I recommend for my patients. It's an easy way to support your nervous system while you use the acupressure technique I'm about to show you. My name is Dr. Barrett. I'm a chiropractor, nutritionist, herbalist, and I'm an expert in Western acupuncture. I've dedicated my life to helping people avoid unnecessary medications and surgeries by giving them options that are both safe and effective. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to be notified when more videos like this come out. Now, let's take a moment to check your ears. Reach up and gently pull your ears away from your head, like this. Notice if one or both ears feel tight, sore, or stuck. Next, gently tug them in various directions. You're tugging like this, maybe try up, try down, back out, front, back, just like this. Be sure to make note of any tension in your neck or your face or your ears as you do this. We'll check this again after doing the acupressure to see if there is any immediate changes. Now let's begin. You can do these points one ear at a time or both ears at the same time. The first spot we're going to work with is just above your ear canal. The ear canal is the little hole that's in your ear. So if we say the ear canal is right over here, if we come up, this is the fold of the ear coming down, but right over here is a little groove or hollow area, right in here. This is the spot. Massage the spot in a circular motion for 20 to 30 seconds, like this. The next spot is at the top of your ear, right over here. Now, if you fold your ear, that's where the fold is going to be, right here. Grab this between two fingers and pulse it 25 times like this. Did you do that? All right, so now the final spot is at the center of your earlobe, and that's this is the earlobe right over here, and the center is right about over here. So go ahead and pinch that area and pulse it 25 times like this. Okay, now if you're doing them one at a time, go ahead and do the other ear. And of course, if you're doing them both, that's great. Now remember, it doesn't take a lot of pressure. We're simply stimulating the nerve. We're just creating a gentle reaction. As you do this, you might notice some changes, like a general sense of calm. Okay, let's repeat the test that we did at the start. Reach up and gently pull your ears away from your head. Then pull them up, pull them down, pull them in the back, pull them forward, just pull them in any direction, and notice if you feel any less tension, any less tightness. Notice if your jaw or your face feels any different. Or you also might feel a difference in your neck or even in your sinuses, because that's where the vagus nerve connects to many areas throughout your body. This simple acupressure technique can help your system settle and reset. For even deeper relaxation, see my video, Acupressure for Anxiety and Stress, the fastest way to relax. I've put it right over here. Have a look.